The art of debate, learning the structure. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of debates. Debates are a wonderful way to hone your English speaking and listening skills. They allow us to exchange ideas, challenge viewpoints, and develop critical thinking. But debates aren't just spontaneous conversations, they follow a specific structure. Today, we'll dissect this structure so that you'll be ready for any debate in English. Before we dive into the structure of a debate, it's crucial to understand what a debate is. A debate is a formal contest of argumentation between two or more people on a particular topic. The key here is that it's formal and structured, with clear rules guiding the flow of conversation. The participants, often referred to as debaters, are assigned sides, for or against a proposition, and aim to convince the audience and/or the judges with their reasoning and evidence. Now, let's delve into the structure of a debate. Generally, a debate is divided into several sections. 1. Introduction, opening statements. Each side presents an initial argument, laying out their viewpoint on the topic. It's an opportunity to set the tone and the context of their argument. 2. Main arguments, cases. Here, debaters provide their main arguments, supplying evidence and reasons to support their viewpoint. Remember, each point made should be clear and concise. 3. Rebuttals. In this phase, each side counters the arguments presented by the other side. This is where critical listening skills come into play as you address and refute the opposing arguments. 4. Conclusion, summary. Finally, each side summarizes their arguments and rebuts, restating their stance. This structure might vary slightly based on the specific format of debate you are participating in, but this is the basic structure common to most. A debate usually has different roles for participants, and it's important to know these roles. 1. First speaker. This person usually presents the team's case, laying out the arguments that their team will develop during the debate. Their role is to start strong, presenting clear and compelling ideas. 2. Second speaker. The second speaker will continue to build on the first speaker's points, providing more evidence and arguments. They might also start rebutting the other team's points. 3. Third speaker, also known as the rebuttal speaker. This speaker mainly refutes the arguments made by the opposing team. Their job is to poke holes in the other team's case. 4. Final speaker, also known as the summary speaker. This speaker summarizes the debate from their team's perspective, reinforcing their team's arguments and explaining why they have won the debate. And there you have it, a basic understanding of the structure of a debate. This knowledge will serve as a foundation for you to participate confidently in English debates. Remember, practice is key. Start small, join in discussions, graduate to mini debates, and then onto full-scale ones. In no time, you'll be a pro at debating in English. Keep practicing, keep debating, and keep learning. We hope this video was helpful, and we can't wait to see you in the next one. Happy debating, everyone!